Marbury versus Madison was decided in 1803, and it's one of the most important and, in my opinion, most brilliant cases ever decided by the U.S. Supreme Court. It's important because it enshrines the concept of judicial review and makes the U.S. Supreme Court a co-equal branch of the U.S. government. If you remember nothing else from this case, remember this: judicial review. Judicial review essentially is the right of a court to strike down a law. And what's brilliant about this case is the way they did it. They did it by refusing power. So Marbury had filed a lawsuit because Adams, on his way out, President Adams, on his way out of the office in 1800, had appointed all these judges, all these Federalist judges. Just like any self-respecting politician, he tried to pack the courts. And Marbury was one of them. And so Marbury's commission wasn't delivered to him before Jefferson took over, and of course Jefferson blocked it. So Marbury did what any self-respecting American does. He filed a lawsuit. And the Supreme Court had jurisdiction to hear this lawsuit under a provision of the Judiciary Act of 1789. And they essentially agreed with everything Marbury had to say. They said that, Jefferson was wrong to do this. But they faced a dilemma. If they said Jefferson had to appoint, if they ruled in favor of Marbury, Jefferson would probably just ignore him, and then the Supreme Court wouldn't look very supreme. So instead what they did is they declared the law that gave them the jurisdiction to hear the case unconstitutional, and they struck it down.
Thomas Jefferson was sworn in order to keep members of the opposing political party from taking office. He told James Madison, his Secretary of State, to not deliver the document of Marbury. Marbury then sued James Madison, asking the Supreme Court to issue a writ requiring him to deliver the documents necessary to officially make Marbury justice of the peace. The Marbury v. Madison case decision resulted in the establishment of the concept of judicial review.